Ever dreamt of achieving financial freedom? Of being your own boss? Most of us have, right? We all have our unique dreams, aspirations, and goals. Some of us dream of buying a house, taking a world tour, or maybe retiring early. Others might be aiming to pay off student loans, build a nest egg, or create a legacy to pass on. These dreams are as diverse as we are, but they all have one thing in common. They require financial resources. Now imagine a path that can help you reach these financial goals. A path that's not just about working more hours or climbing the corporate ladder. Instead, it's about smart work, about leveraging opportunities. That's where affiliate marketing comes into play. It's a viable means to achieve these dreams. It's about building a business, creating value, and earning in return. Well, the opportunity to turn those dreams into reality is closer than you think. Let's hear from some people who have found success in the world of affiliate marketing. Meet Jane, a mother of 2 from Seattle. She was working a 9-to-5 job, struggling to make ends meet. Then she discovered the power of affiliate marketing. Jane jumped in, learned the ropes, and soon she was earning more from her affiliate marketing efforts than her full-time job. Today, Jane enjoys the financial freedom she always dreamed of, all thanks to affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk about John from Florida. John was a college student, burdened by student loans. He started dabbling in affiliate marketing to pay off his debts. Fast forward to today, John has not only cleared his student loans, but has also built a significant nest egg for himself. All this while still in his 20s. Then there's Laura from California. Laura was looking for a way to supplement her retirement income. She came across affiliate marketing and decided to give it a try. Laura found success in the world of affiliate marketing and now enjoys a comfortable retirement, without worrying about finances. Finally, meet Sam from New York. Sam was skeptical at first. He thought affiliate marketing was too good to be true, but he decided to give it a go. Sam spent time understanding the system, learning the strategies, and applying them. Today, Sam is a top affiliate marketer, earning a 6-figure income annually. These are just some of the countless stories of people who have found financial success through affiliate marketing. They come from different backgrounds, different walks of life, but they all have one thing in common. They took a leap of faith, embraced affiliate marketing, and achieved their financial dreams. They are the living proof that affiliate marketing is not only a legitimate way to earn money, but it can also provide financial freedom. Impressive, isn't it? These are real people just like you who have achieved financial success. Now, let's talk about Fundwise Affiliate, your gateway to financial success. Picture this, a platform designed specifically with your financial growth in mind. That's what Fundwise Affiliate is all about. This platform is a remarkable tool for anyone interested in affiliate marketing. It's not just an ordinary platform, it's a stepping stone towards achieving your financial dreams. So what exactly is Fundwise Affiliate? Well, it's an affiliate marketing program that seamlessly connects affiliates with high-quality financial products. These products are not just any products, they are meticulously curated and are proven to offer significant value to customers. By promoting these products, you can earn a generous commission, setting you on the path to financial independence. But how does it work? It's pretty simple. Once you become a Fundwise affiliate, you will be equipped with all the necessary tools and resources to promote these high-quality financial products. You will have access to a unique affiliate link that you can share with your network. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Now let's talk about the benefits. With Fundwise Affiliate, you're not just earning money, you're building a sustainable income stream. You're not just promoting products, you're providing valuable solutions to people's financial needs. And the best part? You're not doing it alone. You're part of a community of like-minded individuals, all working towards the same goal: financial success. Fundwise Affiliate stands out from the crowd for several reasons. Firstly, it offers high commission rates, a great incentive for anyone interested in affiliate marketing. Secondly, it provides you with the necessary training and resources to succeed in this field. And lastly, it's backed by a team of dedicated professionals ready to assist you every step of the way. So whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or a newbie looking to break into the industry, Fundwise Affiliate is a great choice. It's more than just a platform. It's a community committed to your success. It's a place where dreams come true, where financial goals are achieved, and where success stories are made. Fundwise Affiliate is not just a platform. It's a community committed to your success. Let's delve deeper into why Fundwise Affiliate is your best bet towards financial freedom. Firstly, let's talk about the commission structure. Fundwise Affiliate offers a generous commission structure that is both fair and rewarding. For every successful referral, you receive a percentage of the funded amount. This means the more successful your referrals are, the more money you make. So it's not just a win for your referral, but a win for you too. Now, onto the training. Fundwise Affiliate provides comprehensive training for all affiliates. This training is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. It covers everything from understanding the Fundwise Affiliate Program, to effective marketing strategies, to managing your referrals. The best part? It's all available online so you can learn at your own pace, on your own time. Next, let's discuss the support system. Fundwise Affiliate understands that everyone needs a little help sometimes. That's why they offer round-the-clock support for all affiliates. Whether you have a question, need some advice, or simply want to discuss your progress, there's always someone available to assist you. This dedicated support system ensures you're never left feeling lost or alone on your journey to financial freedom. Finally, let's not forget about the potential earnings. With Fundwise Affiliate, the sky's the limit. The more effort and dedication you put into your work, the more financial rewards you can reap. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable source of income that can help secure your financial future. But remember, the advantages of Fundwise Affiliate extend beyond just these key points. You're also joining a community of like-minded individuals, all working towards the same goal of financial freedom. You're gaining access to a wealth of resources designed to help you succeed. And most importantly, you're taking a step towards achieving your financial dreams. With Fundwise Affiliate, you're not just joining a program, you're investing in your future. Your journey to financial freedom is just a click away. Imagine a life where you're no longer bound by the shackles of financial constraints. A life where you're the captain of your ship, steering towards a future of prosperity and success. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Well, that's the power of Fundwise Affiliate for you. You may feel a rush of excitement, a dash of anticipation, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. The step you're about to take with Fundwise Affiliate could be the cornerstone of your financial success. Picture yourself reaping the benefits of your efforts, watching your dreams unfold into reality. Your financial future is not just a mirage in the desert, it's a tangible goal, one that you can reach with the right tools and guidance. And that's exactly what Fundwise Affiliate offers you. Make the choice today to start shaping your financial future with Fundwise Affiliate. Your dreams are within reach.